In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Google Calendar view in Chrome. If you need a physical copy of your schedule, or just want a cleaner version to save as a PDF, Google Calendar makes the process quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open your calendar, choose the right view, and access the print option so you can get the layout you need. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to Google Calendar. Make sure your calendar is fully loaded before moving on so you can clearly see your events and the current layout on the screen. This is important because the view you're looking at will affect how the printed version appears. Once you're in Google Calendar, go to the top right area of the page and choose the view you want to print. You'll typically see options like day, week, month, or schedule. Pick the one that best matches what you need. For example, the day view is helpful if you want a detailed look at one specific day, while the week view gives a broader picture of several days at once. The month view is useful for planning ahead, and schedule view can be easier to read if you prefer a list style format. Take a moment here to confirm that the calendar is showing exactly what you want before printing. This can save time and help avoid printing the wrong date, range, or layout. If needed, you can also navigate to a different date before continuing, since the print preview will reflect what you currently have selected. When you're ready, look near your profile area in the top right corner and click the gear icon. This opens the settings menu for Google Calendar. From that menu, select Print. After you click Print, Google Calendar will open the print setup or preview screen based on the view you selected. From there, you can continue with your browser's or system's print options, whether you want to print on paper or save the calendar as a PDF for digital use. If you're printing for work, school, or personal planning, saving as a PDF can be especially useful for sharing or storing a clean copy. That's all it takes to print a Google Calendar view in Chrome. Open Google Calendar, choose the view you want, click the gear icon, and select Print. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very easy to repeat anytime you need a copy of your schedule.